Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Are you entrepreneur or marketer aiming to dominate the online market and skyrocket your earnings? To help you harness its power, we present our top-tier, groundbreaking and feature-packed product designed to help you earn thousands of dollars. There's no faster way to strike it rich than by seizing this incredible opportunity. Presenting Vegan Lifestyle for Beginners with PLR. This comprehensive guide is designed to help newcomers navigate the vegan lifestyle, and it comes with private label rights PLR, offering a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs to profit by providing valuable content to a growing market. This amazing product provides remarkable benefits. Get premium content for your ebooks, blogs, articles, and more, branded as your own and keep all the profits. Receive fully prepared sales materials ready for reselling. Utilize pre-made, high-quality promotional materials to sell effortlessly and retain 100% of the profit. Tap into well-researched, high-demand niches to boost your revenue today. No technical expertise or special skills required. Embracing a vegan lifestyle is more than just a dietary choice, it's a commitment to living a more compassionate, health-conscious, and environmentally friendly life. For beginners, transitioning to veganism can seem daunting, but with the right guidance and resources, it can be an enriching and fulfilling journey. This guide provides everything you need to start your vegan lifestyle, from understanding the basics to practical tips and benefits. To get you started, take a look at our extensive, current, and expertly researched product. Module 1, Professionally Written Training Guide. Module 2, Professional Graphics. Module 3, Animated Banners. Module 4, High Converting Sales Copy. Module 5, Mini Sites. Module 6, Customer Sales Video. Module 7, Legal Pages. Module 8, Social Media Graphics. Module 9, PDF Graphics. Module 10, Swipe Emails. Module 11, Other Selling Materials like a mind map, cheat sheet, and top resource report. In addition, we are also offering you incredible and complete exclusive bonuses. Instant profit from PLR. Set up PLR product step-by-step tutorial. PLR product rebranding. Seize this golden opportunity now. The growing demand for the vegan lifestyle perfectly positions you to take advantage of this trend. Act now.